Good morning. I'm out of the building today. I'm over at the high school. I'm going to be showing you today's assignment on video so that you have the instructions you need to do what you need to do. First of all, in your drive, you can see here that I've got my email open. I have gone up to my apps and opened my drive. And in my drive, what I need you to do is I need you to create a spreadsheet. Now, spreadsheets are built up of rows and columns going up and down. Think of the tall white columns in front of the White House. Rows going back and forth across the page from right to left. Now, what I need you to do is I'm going to have you play a very simple game. It's a game from Cool Math Games, and it's very simple. It's a color game, and you'll figure it out quickly. The assignment isn't about the game so much. It's about keeping track of your score. So what I'd like you to do is each level, I'd like you to record your score for that level. And this shows you the organizational method of using a spreadsheet. Now, a couple of quick things about spreadsheets, a couple of little tricks and tips that may help. Once I establish a pattern in the spreadsheet, like level 1, level 2, level 3, if I select them together and grab this handle, let me try that again. Select all three together and grab this handle. You can see the crosshairs. As I pull it down, it continues the pattern on up to 16. All right. It will do this with days. It'll do this with dates, times, all sorts of different things that you can create in a pattern. The pattern can be skip counting and so on. Now, once you've played today and generated a group of scores, next week we'll talk about averaging them, summing them, and so on. I'm going to show you a quick example here. I'm going to throw a few random scores into my spreadsheet. And now I'm going to do what's called an AutoSum. I'm going to come up here to the sigma. This is a Greek letter sigma, and it's the mathematical idea for sum. So I'm going to hit sum here. All right. And so now I tell it what I want it to sum. I hit enter, and it automatically adds those numbers up. I could come down here and I could add an average. Again, I'm going to tell it to average these 5 scores, and there's my average. I averaged 1,746.2. You can see how quickly it calculates for you. If you have to adjust a score, they automatically recalculate. This could be very handy in science experiments and so on as you're tracking data. So, play the game, record your results, and next week we'll play with summing and averaging and so on. Enjoy your time, and I'll see you when I get back. Thanks, guys.